Colorado is beautiful, and the mountains are so special, but it's not home, you know. It's not here.
No
the trees are all like manicured like this. They're all little pine trees, and here the trees just hit the ground, you know, all those limbs and everything. I love it. I love all that.
I used to live in Colorado Springs, but not.
You did? Did you go to
maybe
school
for
there?
a few months. No, my first husband was in the military.
I remember. Okay, that's right. So he was in the Air Force.
Army.
He was in the Army? I didn't know that, because there's an Air Force Academy there. There's an Army.
Colorado Springs had, not Fort Ray, that was in North Carolina. Not Fort Hood, that was Texas.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Was it Fort Knox?
It's
been over 20 years ago.
I can't keep up too good with the military stuff. I forget. Oh, I know what I want to show you. Stay where you are. I want to show you my guitar string that I like to use. I'll put it on the table. It's called Louisiana Blues Box. We have fun. I guess you can tell we have fun. So this is a guitar string. So I tried to fix it so when it opened it would make a sound, you know. Like that. And Ben, my grandson, gave me this part of a guitar. So I used that. And it's just fun to use.
A guitar for Christmas.